Hi guys, today I will show you my brand new tire. So this one is a Bridgestone Ecopia HL001. So first impression, so I feel it has a really smooth ride and quite quiet. Yeah, and they said this one is gas saving or fuel saving because of the low tire rolling resistance. So I hope I can save some petrol using these tires. Okay, I'll show you the tire pattern. Yeah, let's see here. Looks really good. Then I'll show you the depth of the brand new tire. So I just use it for 1 day. So should be in nowhere. In the middle. So it's showing around 9:30. So 9:30 or nearly 10. So approximately 8 millimeters. Okay. So that's the brand new tire. Depth. Here is the marker where you can test if the tire is soon to be changed. Okay, so again, this is a Bridgestone Ecopia. Thank you for watching.